WiiM Vibelink Amp Revue, quietly replacing budget amps with 100 watts that feels expensive. You know that sinking feeling when your favorite song hits and nothing hits back? Last week, my buddy Mark played his go-to playlist on his new speakers and just stared at the floor. Sound was thin, lifeless, gone. You've been there too, right? Quietly frustrated, settling for good enough. Tell me in the comments what track hurts the most when it sounds flat.
Now the regret piles up. Hours wasted swapping cables, tweaking equalizers, praying for bass that never arrives, while the music you love feels further away than ever. Your shoulders tense every time a track peaks and clips. That low, constant burn of knowing it could be better. What's the one song you refuse to play anymore because your setup ruins it? Name it below.
Here's the breakthrough you've been waiting for, the WiiM Vibelink Amp. Don't just pick any compact amplifier. Make sure it has the premium ESS 9039Q2 MDAC and PFFB-loaded TI-TPA 3255 so you avoid distortion, pops, and that veiled digital haze everyone complains about. With the WiiM Vibelink Amp, you get chest-thumping bass that arrives fast and leaves clean, vocals that float forward like the singers in the room, high-resolution detail that makes you rediscover albums you've owned for years, dead silent backgrounds, and zero latency when paired with your WiiM streamer. Last month, a producer I know was minutes from scrapping a mix session, his old amp clipped on every kick drum. Plugged in the Vibelink amp, hit play, and literally said, "Oh damn," out loud as the low end locked in perfectly. No more fighting your gear. Want the bonus tip that took my own setup from 90 to 100? Keep reading, it's in the next section.
Imagine never again flinching at volume jumps, just pure explosive dynamics and control that make you lean in closer. The WiiM Vibelink Amp delivers that rare joy where power meets finesse. One reviewer told me straight up, I measured under 0.005% THD plus N. This shouldn't sound this good at the size. A popular YouTuber said he stopped reaching for his $1,200 reference amp after 2 weeks. An analyst called it the smartest ecosystem play WiiM has ever made. Real user quote from the forum yesterday. My vintage Wharfdales finally woke up. I heard guitar strings I swear weren't on the recording before. Maybe you're thinking Class D always sounds sterile. Wrong. The ESS 9039Q2M keeps everything warm, airy, and stupidly musical. See why thousands now refuse to listen without the WiiM Vibelink Amp. Quick interactive question. Which would save your listening life today? Comment 1 for the seamless WiiM app control, 2 for the distortion-free 100-watt headroom, or 3 for the bit-perfect high-resolution DAC that makes title masters sound unreal. Your number tells me exactly what you crave most.
Join the thousands of WiiM owners and brand new converts who fire up the Vibelink amp every single day and instantly grin when music starts. No more compromise, no more settling, just stupid good sound that feels like you upgraded your speakers, room, and mood all at once. Click the link below, grab your Vibelink amp today, and tonight play that one track you've been avoiding. When it finally hits the way it's supposed to, you'll know exactly why we're all hooked. See you in the comments when you hear it for yourself.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.